Hey, good day everyone. I've got this shoe cabinet here. Just pulled everything out of the box and I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. All right, we've got piece number 4 and piece number 3 and 5 and piece number 6 there. And we're gonna put 12 of these in all of these, and I'll show you where they go. Piece 4 is gonna get 4 of these first. All right, so far we're gonna put 4 in here, 2 in here in piece 3, 2 in piece 5, and 4 along there in piece 6. Okay, now these two pieces are gonna go together. These two are gonna go together and these two are gonna go together. And they're gonna go right, see these holes here? These fasteners are gonna go in those holes there. Okay, see this? That's how this goes, like that. So piece 3, and then piece 4 here. And you got this lip here. Now we're gonna put our fasteners down in there. I'm gonna put the arrow right there, the arrow portion facing that way, so they sink all the way down in there, and then we'll just turn them. Okay, we'll do the same thing with the other side. All right, that step is done. Okay, we're gonna take piece J here, and then 2 piece H's. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in those holes there. So then we have piece 9 right here, and we have 10 of these. We're just gonna go ahead and sink them all in these small holes here. Okay, that step is done. Now we're gonna slide this on to the main piece. All right, so we lay our piece down here. This is the piece we just put together. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna put 2 wooden dowels right in there. This piece is gonna go up against there. Now we take this one, and this is gonna go with the spikes out. All right, next this is for the bottom trim, the bottom frame. So I got piece 10, 12, 13, and 11 there. And I'm gonna start with putting piece 12 to piece 10, piece 13 to piece 10 with these. It's gonna go there, and then we put this guy right in there. Okay, now with the spike side out there, we're just gonna attach this right on there. And piece 10 goes up above. That little cutout is piece 10. That's gonna be the front. And I found it easy to flip it on its top to put these things in. All right, got all the fasteners in there. Okay, this is piece number 1, and we're gonna put 4 B's in it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is put some D's in the top here. Next step's to put up the shelves. Right, there it is with 2 of the 3 shelves you can put in there. All right, I got piece 14 and 15 facing down. We're gonna go ahead and put the hinges on, and then also the metal pieces right there for the doors, for the magnets. Okay, next, I'm gonna put on the handles.